Good morning, everybody. This is Thomas with Microquant. Today we're going to be looking at a Euro US dollar trade. We had a swing trade lasting from yesterday to today where we had a profit of approximately 72.4 pips. Now the reason we placed this trade, we had a couple different things we were looking at. First, on a weekly chart with a 10-bar analysis period, we could see we were significantly overvalued and we were entering into a down cycle. And then changing down to a daily chart, we could see we were also significantly overvalued and again enter into a downward cycle. And then we drilled down even further where we actually placed a trade on a 60-minute chart. This is where we placed our trade where that red arrow is. We were moderately overvalued. We had a weakening on the cycle finder on the highs, a weakening on the migration on the highs, and a strengthening of downside momentum on our MQ momentum indicator. These were all signs that we should go ahead and enter this trade. So we shorted there, and then the reason we got out this morning, we were moderately undervalued. We also had a weakening of our cycle finder. You can see we had a higher low pattern forming. And then we also had a higher low pattern forming on our momentum, so we were losing a little bit of momentum to the downside. Went ahead, locked in our profits. I think we ended up closing the position with about 1,400 in profit from last night. So that's a pretty good trade for overnight. Lasted about 13 hours, I think. I will continue to follow the Euro US dollar. I'm still pretty bullish as it is, still moderately and significantly overvalued on daily and weekly charts, or bearish, excuse me. And we'll see if it continues to trend on down. I actually entered another position about right here at the top of this bar in fair value. And we'll see if that turns out to go down. I only risked about 5 pips with my stop loss. We'll continue to follow the Euro US dollar and see if this trend will reverse itself and start heading down as we would like to see. Until then, happy trading.